Are there netiquette rules for texting slang? Are there netiquette rules for texting slang? This is a great question, especially in our fast-paced digital world. Texting slang has become a common way to communicate, but there are some important guidelines to keep in mind. Netiquette refers to the accepted etiquette for online communication, and it plays a big role in how we use texting slang. First and foremost, think before you send a message. Texting slang often includes abbreviations and informal language, which can lead to misunderstandings. Always consider who you are texting and the context of the conversation. For instance, slang that is perfectly fine among friends may not be suitable in a work or school setting. Using slang in those environments can come off as unprofessional or confusing. One key rule is to avoid using all capital letters. This is often interpreted as shouting and can be seen as rude. Instead, stick to standard capitalization to keep your messages friendly. When texting, it is also wise to limit the use of slang and abbreviations, especially with people who may not understand them. This helps prevent any misinterpretations. Clarity is essential in digital communication. Since tone can easily be lost in text, being straightforward is important. Slang can sometimes add ambiguity, so it is best to keep messages clear. Refrain from using sarcasm or inside jokes that might not be understood by everyone. Humor is often culturally dependent and can lead to confusion or even offense. Using emojis or tone indicators can help convey your feelings when using slang, but use them sparingly. In formal or academic settings, it is best to avoid them altogether. Patience is also a virtue in texting. Avoid sending aggressive follow-ups, like repeated question marks or messages in all caps, as this can undermine professionalism. These netiquette rules do not discourage the use of slang. Instead, they encourage its thoughtful use. Slang can create quick, informal connections in digital communication, but it should be balanced with respect for the audience. When texting, consider who you are messaging, the purpose of your message, and the setting. Slang works best in casual conversations among peers who share a common understanding. In contrast, when communicating in professional or unfamiliar contexts, it is better to minimize slang or explain it. This helps avoid misunderstandings. Overall, netiquette for texting slang promotes clear, respectful communication that adapts to fit the situation and audience. So, the next time you send a text, remember these guidelines to ensure your message is received well.